Hey guys, Janelle here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I've got some exciting news for you. Say hello to Eden BodyWorks' brand new brand ambassador. Hey curl friends!
Janelle is not my name, and if you must know, it's a statement, bitch.
So I've got my hands on the box of the month. Take a look at this beautiful packaging here. And for those of you that have rocked with me for a while, a lot of these products you see in here are going to be quite familiar. Alright, so let's go over everything in the box. So first things first, we've got the Natural Cleansing CoWash. This right here is one of my original staples. I love, love, love this. I've been using this for years. Honestly, I don't even gotta demo any of it because I could tell you everything about this from the top of my head. This right here is a cleansing co-wash, not to be meant as a shampoo per se, but something you would use between shampoos. So I usually shampoo my hair once a month, and this is something that I would use weekly after the gym or after my hair just starts getting stale and funky. It has a wonderful, yummy coconut scent. And this is what the texture looks like. Now, the reason why I used to love this so much is this is one of those cleansing co-washes that really helps to detangle your hair. Like, this makes my hair feel like butter, and anything glides right through it once this is in there with a little bit of water. Once I rinse it out, it's also super moisturizing without any residue, and then I've never had any issues with mixing. I was able to use whatever else after, and it blended in perfectly with this. Up next, we have got the Natural Curl Defining Cream. This one also has a very similar scent, coconut, shea. Texture is a little bit thicker. This particular cream I would more so use for a twist out, or even if I'm just gonna do like a braid for the week or a style like that. This for me is not strong enough for wash and goes, but for some of you ladies out there with a different type of hair texture, this might work for you. So because I'm familiar with this one, we're not gonna use this one today. It is meant to help define your curls, and it also does help keep your hair moisturized and soft with a decent amount of definition, but it doesn't make your hair crunchy or hard. Up next, I have the Natural Curling Jelly. I have never tried this one before, so we're gonna try this one out today in a wash and go. And okay, so we're gonna try a wash and go with the Natural Curling Jelly. I just rinsed out the co-wash, and I've heard that this works better on its own, so we're going to try it out just on my rinsed out hair. It says on the back that it's perfect for lightweight complement to wash and go and textured style, frizz-free, no flake, and curl definition starts here. And it is a jelly texture, but not super thick, as it has taken a little run down my hand. We also have the leave-in conditioner, which I've also used plenty of times. This one has the same consistent smell, works very well. After I use my co-wash, I'll go in with this before I add my stylers, and this does help keep your hair moisturized and soft, and I am here for it. Last but not least in my box, I've got a brush with the best travel size brush. And I have seen these types of brushes all around, and I'm honestly like glad I got it because I have been very curious to try these out. So it's the one with these like flexy type of, I don't know, bristles on a stick? No, I don't know, but it looks like this. And these are supposed to be perfect for detangling all textures of hair, curly, kinky, straight, or wavy, helps to tangle with ease, makes your hair more manageable, and helps to define curls, coils, and kinks. Works best with your favorite conditioner. So, alright guys, so the gel is in. I will say it is a lot lighter than the gels that I'm used to. So we're just going to have to see how this comes out. Clearly my bangs are a little overgrown. I do need to go get a haircut. But I think I'm just going to put a little bit more the ends, especially the bottom half of my hair, because that's where the heavier or the coarser texture is. And I kind of just want to make sure that it's going to hold and define them, so that when it dries it just doesn't frizz out on me and that they stay nice and defined. I find lighter gels work better on the top half of my hair because it's more so of a looser curl than underneath. And the bottom also does not, the bottom also shrinks a lot more and it's a lot coarser. So we're gonna see how this goes. A little bit more to the ends. But so far, here's how it looks. Time to dry.